Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting direct access to the device. Power the HP printer and make sure it shows idle. If it is warming up, wait until it stops. Once done, open the printer control panel or launch the HP Smart app or the printer's embedded web server from a browser. Look for the print queue and identify the specific document by name and status. Doing this now saves time later because you'll act on the exact job rather than guessing which page to remove. Next, stop the job before it prints more pages. From the printer's touch panel, tap the queued document and select Cancel or Delete. This halts output immediately. If you're on a computer, open Devices and Printers, choose See What's Printing, select the job, and click Cancel. For networked printers, you can enter the printer's IP in a browser, open the print queue, and remove the job there. Make sure to confirm deletion, so the job doesn't auto-restart from a cached source or server. To finish, ensure the page is truly removed and the printer is ready. If the job persists, power cycle the printer. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it on to clear transient queues. If that fails, clear the print spooler on your computer by stopping the print spooler service, deleting files in the spool folder, and restarting the service. Make sure drivers and firmware are current so a stale driver or cached job doesn't requeue. If problems continue, resend only the page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.